Good evening everybody, it's Claire from Claire's Food Haven. Tonight I'm cooking an old Scottish favourite, Stovies or corned beef hash. So to get going I'm just going to put the hob up to 4, put a splash of olive oil in there. I've just cut up 3 small onions. They are red onions, but a white onion would be better I think for this dish. If I had a white onion, that's what I'd be using. So you want quite a lot of onion. This is going to serve 2 people, so I'm just going to saute them on the hob there. And you also want about half a kilo of spuds, and I've got 1 tin of corned beef. Now the cost of this meal, the most expensive item was the corned beef. I got that from Aldi for £2.50. The onions, you're looking at about 60 pence. You're also going to want a beef stock cube or a ham, chicken stock cube. Call that 10 pence, so 60, 70, 250, 320, and call it 80 pence for the potatoes. So that's £4 plus a little drizzle of cooking oil. That all adds up, call it 10 pence. And then on the hob, it's going to be simmering altogether on the hob for about 40 minutes, this meal. I'm going to start the hob on quite a high heat, but then I will lower the temperature on the hob. So the hob will probably cost about 40 pence. So altogether for this meal, you're looking at about £4.80 or around about £5, which is really good. The next step, whilst the onions are cooking there, I'm just going to peel the potatoes and cut them up into pieces, little cubes. Okay, give those onions a bit of a stir. That to sizzle away there nicely. Oh, I've just turned those onions down to 2. They are strong. I'm going to make up 400 ml of stock now. I'm using a ham stock cube. Beef will do, or chicken, any kind of stock cube. I think that's that. Give that a stir. We're going to be adding in this in with the onions and the potatoes, and they're going to be cooking together for about half an hour, and then we'll add the corned beef in towards the end. Now just put the tatties in with the onions. Pour the stock on. Let that cook. I just added a little bit more hot water in there because I don't think I had quite enough, but I'm going to put a lid on now as well. We've just turned the hob up to 3. This has been bubbling away nicely for a good 20 minutes now, so ooh, got all that steam. Still quite a bit of liquid in there. To open the corned beef, it has one of these little keys on it, and I can never remember whether it goes that way or this way, so I'm going to go I think it goes this way. She says. Oh, what's going on? I've broken it. I'll make a complete hash of this. Oh, something's happening. Managed to get it going, I think. think I might be doing this wrong somehow. It just doesn't feel right, but it is working. So I'm just going to keep rolling. I'm just being careful because obviously that tin is sharp. Somebody will probably tell me I needed to go the other way, or I needed to put the key in the other way or something like that. And we're just gonna go for it. Just being careful not to put my fingers up there. Let's come off the key now. We'll just keep going, see if we can make it to the other side. Can we do it? Yes, we can. We can do it. We can do anything we want. Yeah! Massive achievement. Let's just see if I can lift it. Yeah. Obviously, I mean, look how dangerous that is. Whop it on the chopping board now, see if it'll come out. Is it going to come out easily? No, it's not. It's not going to come out easily. Oh, look, it is. It's starting to, I think. No. Tell you what. A little bit of help from the knife, maybe. I'm just going to take it out with a knife. That works. Oh, look at that meat. There you go. Just going to carefully put that back on there. I'm going to chop this meat up now. I'm going to add that corned beef in now. And just give that a good stir. It smells nice. I'm going to let that cook for about 20 minutes, I think. That's been bubbling away for a good 50 minutes now, so I'm going to turn off the hob and dish it out. Everything is cooked. I did take out a little bit of the liquid about 5 or 10 minutes ago. It looks nice. All the potatoes mushed in with the corned beef and the onions. It's going to be a very wholesome, filling meal, this. Two massive portions. I don't know if I'll eat all of that. Stovies on a cold Scottish night. Bon appetit. It was piping hot. It took about 10 minutes for it to cool down before I could eat it. And what I did was I mashed it all up together. And then that got rid of a lot of the liquid. But, oh, it tastes good. You know, I didn't add any salt into it. I didn't add any salt on after. And all the salt from the corned beef and the stock cube mixed in with the potatoes and the onion. It's really, really good. I think I might get this finished tonight.